Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In today's video, we are diving into a Next.js Boilerplate setup, a scalable and lightning fast starter project designed to supercharge your web development workflow. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we dive into the setup, let's take a quick look at the official website of Next.js. So here we need to search Next.js and hit enter. If you are new to Next.js or want to explore its full capabilities, this is the best place to start. So here click on get started. So here we can see the documentation. The documentation is clear, well structured and packed with helpful examples. So you guys can check it out. Let's build the project. So we need to copy this npx create next f at latest for create a boilerplate setup. So let's copy it. So here in our VS Code, I'm opening the terminal. I hold Ctrl Shift back tick together. So here we need to face the command and hit enter. So it's asking us what is our project name. You guys can give your preferable project name. So here I am giving starter project and hit enter. So here it's saying would you like to use TypeScript, so I would say no. And then it asking us would you like to use ESLint. So we should know that what is ESLint. ESLint is a code linter for JavaScript and TypeScript. It helps us to catch bugs, errors and typos early, even before running the code. It enforces consistent code style, improved code quality and maintainability. So I'll click on yes, and then it asking us would you like to use Tailwind CSS, and I will say yes. Then it asking us would you like your code inside a source directory or no. So we would take our source directory, that's why we need to type yes. And then it asking us would you like to use app router. I would say definitely yes, because it's also recommended by Nextjs. And then it asking us would you like to use turbopack for next step. So we should know that what is turbopack. Turbopack is the next generation bundler built by the creator of Webpack. It makes our local development environment significantly faster, especially when it comes to hot reload and startup time. So we would say definitely yes. And then it asking us would you like to customize the import alias. So we would take as yes, because by using an import alias we can shorten our import paths and make them cleaner to manage, especially in longer projects. So if I show an examples, here we can see that we use the file path, or to import a component we use dot slash like that, and with import alias we can use only an @ and then slash like that. So that's why we'll take it as yes, and then we don't need to do anything, just hit enter. So if I make my terminal a little bit bigger, here we can see now our dependencies are installing, like React, React DOM, Next, and Tailwind CSS, ESLint, and other. So here we can see that our Nextjs, all the packages are installed and successfully created a startup project. So let's see what it gives us. There we can see our source folder, and inside source folder we can see the layouts. Now we need to go to our project file inside, which is a starter project. So we need to type cd starter project and hit enter. So right now we are inside our project. So how we can start our project? If we go to our package.json, let me make the terminal resize. So here we can see in script we can see the dev, so we can run npm run dev for run our project. So npm run dev and hit enter. So just hold the control button and click on localhost 3000. So here we can see our Nextjs default design. Let's remove everything from phase.js, control all, and then clean everything by hit backspace and then type rfc and hit enter. So let's clear the default css from global.css. So here we need to delete only until root and control s, save it. Now if we reload our project, we can see here only showing phase. So let's give some style so that we can check our Tailwind CSS work or not. So if we create a class and then here we want to give text color to our text. So text, let's give cyan 500 and hit enter. So we can see that our text color already changed. So it's mean our Tailwind CSS also works. So right now our startup project is fully set for create a project. So that's all for today. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you guys have any query, you guys can comment it in the comment box. Thank you everyone.